how to fix camera not working in Google Meet. This is very easy to do. Open up Google Meet and then near the URL bar, you want to click on this icon here. Once we click on this icon, then you want to find site settings. So click on site settings and you want to locate the camera option, which is going to be the second one. And usually it should be set to ask. We want to set it to allow. Now, once you do that, we can close this window, create a new meeting here. And it's going to tell us that it needs to reload. So we're going to click on reload. And now we can create a new window, meeting, start an instant meeting. And if you have a camera connected, then it's going to show up right here. I currently have mine unplugged. That's why it doesn't. So I hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.